Hello everyone. In this video, I've taken the subject income tax, and in that income tax, the topic residential status. This is a second problem which I'm going to do it under the residential status. This is also a question paper problem for 6 marks. So given here in detail like how we are solving this problem. Okay, so this is not a gross total income calculation that I put a one video here, incidence of tax. That is for 14 marks. This question usually they used to give for 6 marks. So we'll just see that how it is being done. Okay. Now you will just go through the question, what is given. Then later we'll come to the solution. Now here, Mr. Sen comes to India on 10th May 2016. After staying for 10 years in USA, he stays in India up to 4th January 2019 and leaves India on 5th January 2019 for USA. Now, during his stay in India, he did not stay for more than 15 days at any particular place as he was exploring the possibilities of a new business. Now, determine his residential status for the previous year. This is what they given us. Now, how will we do it? The moment you get a question, write down like this: determination of residential status for previous year. What is your previous year? 2018-19. Write that. Now, the relevant previous year, we have to go for the basic condition as well as the additional condition. In the first video of this residential status, I have explained the problem with writing the basic condition as well as additional condition. So, whoever does not know that, kindly watch that video. So, you'll be understanding what are the basic condition as well as additional conditions. Okay. So, now here, the first one is the relevant previous year. What is the previous year? Previous year always start from 1st April to 31st March. So that is what we have written, 1/4/2018 to 31/3/2019. Now how we calculated this problem? Stay in India during this period. That means how many months this person has stayed in India during this previous period. We have to see whether he has stayed for 182 days. That is our first condition. Okay, so that is what we are looking into it. Now when we see that, it starts from 1/4/2018 to 5/1. You'll be thinking why 5/1? Because clearly it is given in the question that he stays in India up to 4th January 2019 and he leaves India on 5th January, which means that only till 5th we can take his residential status for that particular year. So April, I had given the calculation neatly. April, how many days? 30 days. May, 31 days. June, 30 days he is staying. July, 31 days. August, 31 days. September, 30 days. October, 31 days again. November, 30 days. December, 31 days. Jan, 5 days. Why 5 days means? Because he is living on that day. So 5th is also inclusive. So when we add all these days together, we are getting 280 days. So the first condition is satisfied for him because it is more than 182 days. So it will be taken as a resident. Now, so that is what I given here also. As a stay exceeds 182 days during the relevant previous year, he is resident under section 6 subsection 1. That means first basic condition is that the resident should stay in India for more than 182 days. That he is satisfied. So he is a resident. Now we are coming to the other conditions. The second condition was that like he should be staying in India out of 7 out of 10 previous year. Got it? So he can claim the status of a resident but not ordinary resident as a state during 7 years previous preceding. Relevant previous year is not for 730 days. This is how we are getting it in this problem. I have given it in detail here. So we will see that also. So here the relevant previous year means immediate, again the previous year we have to see, like if it is 2018 given, backwards we have to go 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Like that we have to just keep on seeing that which are the 7 years coming. So here we are just taking the 2 years that is immediately preceding that. So we have to see that in 2017-18 he has stayed for 365 days because full year he was here. So there is no confusion in that. Okay. Now, coming to 2016-17, 327 days. This is what I calculated it here. See how we have taken here means that he has come back in the question. It is clearly given that he is, he is after staying like Mr. Sen is coming to India on 10th May 2016. So it's coming on 10th May 2016 means remaining days he is here, right? So the remaining days we have to take it. That is what I've taken it here. That is why it is getting 22 days. Okay, so here the 22 days, May 22nd, 22 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31, September 30 days, October again 31, November 30 days, December 31, Jan 31 days, February 29 days, and March 31 days. So like that we are getting 327 days he was there in the year of 2016-17. Now when you calculated it, 365 plus 327, we are getting only 692 days, which means that he has not satisfied the second condition of 730 days. So that is the only reason we are not taking him as a resident, but he is considered as a resident but not ordinary resident. Has a stay during 7 years preceding the previous years was just 692 days. That is the reason we are not taking, because backwards we cannot take it because he is only coming in 2016. So there is no use of taking for 2015, 14, 13, 12 and all, because that information only is not there. Even though information is given also, it will be nil only because he is coming only on May 2016. Okay, so this is how we are doing this problem. So I hope you understood it. Thank you for watching.